Yo guys, I'm back with another video on the Desi Food Flavor channel. Today we are going to do the Turkish Snack Challenge. And with me is my brother Farhan.
Hi guys!
We're going to start off with these chips called Patos Fritos. Let's open these bad boys.
Cheese chips.
There you go.
Not bad.
These are nice, these.
Tastes like the Doritos, the cheese one.
Yeah, the tangy cheese, but
Yeah.
less tangy.
Pretty nice these.
For me, it's a thumbs up and 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give these 8 out of 10 as well.
Whoa.
These are the munch.
Eh? Ooh, what is this?
Got a goodie in there.
Eh? Got a little stamp thing, I don't know what it is. Alright, so the next snack we're gonna try is the Bidolu.
Bidolu.
Not sure how you pronounce it. Ooh, these are a bit flaky, these. There you go.
They look nice these.
Making a mess over
They
here.
look like them Pink Panther biscuits. Chocolate one.
These are nice. These are nice. These thumbs up for me and 10 out of 10 easily.
Thumbs up for me, 10 out of 10 as well.
I haven't tried anything like this in the UK.
You can't find anything like this in the UK. It's got a bit of coconut in there.
10 seconds later.
Yeah, it's got a bit of pistachios in there too. Pretty nice these.
So the next snack will be these chocolates. I think they're mint flavor and they're called chocolata. So let's open these. I like the packaging of this. These are bad.
Tasty these. I'll give these 10 out of 10. But they got pistachios in these. Not mint.
Yeah, I was wrong about the mint and the pistachios. And the flavor in this is really nice. Like it's
Milk chocolate with pistachios in it.
My rating of these 10 out of 10 thumbs up.
10 out of 10 for me.
Alright, so moving on, we're gonna try this beverage right here. I'm not sure what it's called. Yeah, I'm not gonna pronounce it.
Just try.
So we're going to try this juice in the traditional Turkish glasses.
Boom! Cheese.
Bit ketchup.
A bit sour.
It
tastes more like orange juice than. Yeah, it tastes more orange juice.
It tastes like orange juice, but on this, it's got a mix of fruit and veg. So that's why I think it's a bit sour.
But
for me, it's 6.5 out of 10.
I'm giving it 5.5 out of 10. It's not bad.
So the next snack we're going to be trying is the Biscuit Double Kissel. I don't know how you pronounce it, but let us know. So these are biscuits, and it says something about ruby. Not sure what that is.
Make sure you smash the like button, comment down below, and subscribe.
They got a smell to it.
Smells chocolatey. What flavour is it? They're like cookies with, I think they're raspberry.
Also, it's chocolate and
Yeah,
I think
they've got
it's
raspberry
either
in there.
raspberry or strawberry flavouring.
Piece of biscuit.
Might have another one.
एक और दे दे यार. काट लो. Hold it up.
What do you think of these?
10 out of 10 for me. Nice.
Yeah.
Proper nice.
I'll give these a 7.5. Don't really like that much.
You don't like them,
Nope.
but you was munching on them.
So moving on from the biscuits, we're going to try these Turkish Delights from Turkey, obviously, and the bite-sized. Let's give these a go.
Boy.
Not looking forward to see you.
Same here. Don't smell great.
Normally I don't like Turkish Delight from the UK, but these are actually nice. I rate these 9.5 out of 10. Not bad, these.
Not bad.
I'm expecting that.
I don't like Turkish Delight. These are not bad. They got badam in them, almonds in them. 7 out of 10.
So these I like them, so I might be trying some more Turkish Delight because of these. So moving on from the Turkish Delight. So moving on from the Turkish Delight, we're going to move on these cracks, breadstick type of stuff.
Big crack.
These ones.
Big cracks. Like sticks.
So there's got a bit of a chili on the packet, so I expect this to be chili.
Chili.
There's a little bit of chili and that's it. Not enough for me. I really like
Chili flavor. It's not like spicy.
It's like a little snack on the go.
Yeah. They are nice.
8.5 out of 10 for me.
7 out of 10 for me.
moving on from those plastic type of stuff, we're going to move on this drink, Anas coconut. And Anas means pineapple in Turkish, obviously. So let's give these a try. Smells nice.
Very nice.
Pineapple and coconut.
Two of my favorites.
Oh. Ooh, this is probably nice. 10 out of 10 for me.
10 out of 10 from me too.
There's a drink that I used to drink like a long time ago called Sunshine Pineapple one. Pineapple and coconut is the same exact, but this is 10 times better. So moving on from that juice, we're going to move on to the chocolate pulka. I'm not going to pronounce that.
They look like fruit and dairy milk.
I really like the packaging.
Packaging is very nice. Something funny.
Yeah. Take me a while to open this.
Just open it.
They like the same the other ones before that we had, but it's fruity and nutty. That's it. But it is nice.
Exactly the same as the chocolate, but it's got blueberries in it.
I like these 8.5 out of 10 easily.
But I'm not a big fan of blueberries, so we'll give it 7.
Few moments later.
0.5 out of 10.
So the next snack that we're going to be moving on to are these biscuits, Haley, they like marshmallows. Give these a try. Ooh.
Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Desi Food Flavours. Go and check them out. These are like marshmallow biscuits.
Look at that. Look at the inside. Wow. It's crunchy on the outside and then nice and soft on the inside.
You got marshmallow in it.
In the UK, we got something called the tea cakes. I'm not sure if you heard of it, but
Exactly the same.
Exactly the same as that.
Proper nice these. I'll give it 10 out of 10. What about you, Rihan?
For me, 11 out of 10. They were nice. So moving on to the next snack is the crisp or the Patos Ketchup. So I like the Walkers, I Ketchup one, but they don't make in the UK anymore. There you go, mate.
You can't taste the ketchup. It tastes more like salt and vinegar. But they're really nice.
It's alright. Like, I would have them on a day-to-day basis or like a snack. but
I would.
it's alright, I guess. Like for some time.
They are nice.
I rate these.
I give these 9 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
The only reason I give this 9 out of 10 is because they don't taste like ketchup flavour. If it tastes like ketchup flavour, I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, if it tastes like ketchup, I'll give it at least 9. So moving on from those crisps, we're going to move on to the dark chocolate.
But they look like dark chocolate.
Which I assume they're dark chocolate. It says here 60% bitter. So I suggest these are really salty.
These are boys.
Not for me.
The dark chocolate, I'm a big fan of dark chocolate, but these taste a bit different.
As it says in the package, is bitter. So exactly bitter. So if you're a dark chocolate craze, then you definitely love these. My rating on these would be a 6.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10 as well.
If it was less bitter, then probably 9 out of 10. So last but not least, we got this biscuit, the Albini, and I think this is caramel by the looks of it. I really like caramel, so hope this is nice.
No, I'm not a big fan of caramel.
Ooh.
I like the chocolate coating on this.
It's like a chocolate from the UK. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's called.
It's nice. Like, I'm not a big fan of caramel, but this is really nice.
I like the crunchy bit on the outside, and the inside is like really soft.
It reminds me of a chocolate, but I can't think of the name. Yeah.
My rating on this is
I'll give it
8.5 out of 10.
I'll give it 10 out of 10. Really like them. Thumbs up for me.
To wash all those snacks down, we got some authentic Turkish coffee. So we're going to show you how we make it.
I want to give a big thanks to Marat, Benji and the Blue Mania Holidays for the Turkish coffee.
So time to relax and have some Turkish tea. Perfect. So you made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you share and hit the bell button. Horse Chakal. So we're going to try this juke in the
Juke!